Have you ever felt stuck in your routine, hesitant to step outside of your comfort zone? Maybe the idea of trying something new feels scary, whether traveling to a new place, starting a hobby, or just meeting new people. If that sounds familiar, let me tell you this: you're not alone. I've been there too. For some years, I stuck to what felt safe and familiar, convincing myself that adventure wasn't for me. But deep down, I knew I was missing out. I was missing out on growth, memories, and the chance to really live. In this video, I'll share how you face the fear of exploring outside of your comfort zone and bring adventure back into your life. Whether you're in your 40s, 50s, or beyond, let's reclaim the excitement and curiosity that aging often pushes aside. Part 1: Why do we fear exploring and trying new things? Fear of exploring often comes from uncertainty and self doubt. Fear of the unknown. You worry about what could go wrong instead of what could go right. Feeling out of place. Many people think adventure is only for younger, more fearless individuals. Judgment from others. You worry about being judged or looking silly. Physical or mental barriers. Aging can make us question our energy, our strength, or confidence to handle new experience. I once hesitated to sign up for a trail race, one of those dirt trail race that goes really high, because I thought I wouldn't fit in with the younger, more experienced runners. But the moment I stepped on that trail, I realized that adventure doesn't have an age limit. It has a mindset limit. Now, I have a question for you. What's one fear that's holding you back from trying something new? Write it down. We'll tackle it step by step. Part 2: How adventure keeps us young at heart. Adventure isn't just about traveling to exotic places. It's about staying curious and engaged with life. Studies show that trying new activities improve brain function, reduces stress, and increases happiness hormones like dopamine. Exploring nature, meeting new people, or taking small risks reminds us that life still has magic and excitement no matter our age. I remember hiking a new trail alone for the first time. I know my husband sometimes tells me, "Oh, you can't do that." But you know what? I was nervous about getting lost or not keeping up with those other people that were there. But that hike became one of my most empowering experiences. It reminded me that fear fades the moment you take the first step. Now, start by planning a small adventure. Visit a nearby park, try a new restaurant, or sign up for a class or a group activity. If this is already inspiring you, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more tips on living boldly and staying motivated at any age. Let's go to part 3: Small steps to build confidence in exploring. Overcoming fear doesn't mean jumping in blindly. It means starting with manageable steps. Start local. Explore nearby trails, beaches, or museums before committing to bigger trips. Try group activities. Join hiking clubs, dance classes, or local tours for added support and safety. Make it social. Invite a friend, a family member, you know, someone else, a buddy, to join you. It makes trying new things feel less intimidating. I once joined this group where I didn't know anybody at first. It was so uncomfortable. I didn't know anybody. But by the end of the first activity, I had made two new friends and started looking forward to our weekly meetups. Now, find a local event or a group activity this week and commit to attending one session. Part 4: turning fear into excitement. Fear and excitement feel almost identical in the body. Racing heart, sweaty palms, and anticipation. The key is to reframe fear as excitement. Replace I'm scared with I'm excited to see what happens. Visualize the positive outcome. Imagine yourself smiling, laughing, and feeling proud afterwards. I used to feel terrified when traveling solo, but instead of letting fear stop me, I focused on what I was excited about: meeting new people, trying new foods, and taking amazing photos. That mindset shift made all the difference. Now, here's for you to do: write down three things you're excited about for your next adventure, whether it's discovering a new place, meeting people, or learning something new. Part 5: finding inspiration and expanding your comfort zone. Sometimes we need to see others doing it to believe we can do too. Follow travel or adventure blogs, blogs of people your age. Watch documentaries or YouTube videos of others who stepped out of their comfort zones. That's fun. Surround yourself with positive, adventurous people who inspire you to dream bigger. I followed a few people on Instagram who started hiking in their 50s and 60s. And seeing their stories motivated me to tackle new trails and challenges myself. So find and follow one or two people today who inspire you to try new things. Part 6: planning adventures that fit your lifestyle. Adventure does not have to be expensive or far away, it just has to be meaningful. Take day trips to places you've never explored. Try cultural experiences, food festivals, art shows, or music events. Take up an outdoor hobby: kayaking, photography, or bird watching. I started with local hikes and expanded to mountain races, providing that adventure can grow with you as your confidence builds. So make a bucket list of 5 places you want to explore or activities you want to try this year. Fear of exploring isn't about the unknown, it's about staying in a comfortable box. But life begins when we step outside of that box and start saying yes to new adventures. If this video inspired you, like and subscribe to my channel and check out my video on embracing aging, how to love yourself and your life at any age to keep building confidence and living boldly.